How do I get started in investing? What should I look for when investing in a company? What do all these charts mean? These are the most common questions I see on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, and I might just have the thing for you. What is happening, people? My name is Robbie and today I'm going to let you in on a little secret I've been using for the past few months to gain new knowledge in stocks, crypto and even Forex. So most days I'll receive messages on Instagram or more commonly comments on TikTok, and they're usually asking questions like, where should I invest my money? How do I get started investing? What crypto should I invest in? What should I look out for when I am investing? And obviously, as I've mentioned so many times before, I'm not a financial advisor. So even if I wanted to tell you where I think you should put your money, I couldn't. I'm not allowed. But the problem isn't the fact that I can't tell you what to invest in. The problem is people are asking the wrong questions. Everyone is looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, with little or no interest or effort to learn about investing. The majority of people would rather just be told what to buy, when to buy it, and when to sell it. No care at all for why you should invest in the company, what the company does, or why it might go up in value. This isn't a sustainable strategy. If you don't take the time to learn and understand what you're investing in and why, you're never going to progress and become a better investor. Now, I'm sure there's a handful of you watching this video thinking to yourself, that's all well and good, but where do I learn this stuff? And obviously I've harped on and on a regular basis about how important I think it is to read books about the subject that you want to learn about, in this case, investing. But sometimes people just don't have the time to read a full book, or they don't retain the information that they read in books very well, or they just can't be bothered reading a book, which is fine. This is where the secret weapon comes into play. What if I told you that I get messages directly to my phone telling me how oil and gold are performing for the day, how the stock market indexes are performing, news about the markets and what's currently going on in crypto and stocks. I don't need to go online and look up what the price of gold is, or oil, or indexes. They come straight to me in a message without me having to search for anything. And the message also explains why the changes have happened and what those changes may mean. Is that the sort of information you'd be interested in? Well, this is Investor Watch, your one-stop shop for stock market and crypto investing. So what actually is Investor Watch? Well, who better to describe it than Investor Watch themselves? This is the Investor Watch mission taken straight from their website. At Investor Watch, we have seen inflated courses, scams and unfair agents create unfortunate opinions and false understandings of the investment sphere in the United Kingdom and around the world. Through sharing our own picks and ideas between each other and countless hours of learning how to work stuff out, we realised that our sweat equity and investments could be used for the benefits of others. In short, we are not here to make you an expert. We are here to aid you in your own investment journey and be an asset to your success. No courses, no meme coins, a simple investment channel carrying our ideas between profitable asset classes and the important news to use alongside it. Now, I know what you're probably thinking here. Is this just another overpriced investment channel? Once I've signed up, they're going to try and sell me on some course that costs 10 grand. That's just not the case with Investor Watch. Now, I'll admit, I was slightly sceptical when I joined, as you probably should be when you're parting with your hard-earned money to sign up to anything to do with investing on the internet at the minute. There are plenty of snake oil salesmen trying to sell you the dream, but the guys at Investor Watch just don't fit that profile. After meeting the guys personally and finding out how they started Investor Watch and what they're all about, I felt very confident in the service. For £40 a month, you get access to the Investor Watch Telegram channel. This has information on the stock market, cryptocurrencies, recommendations on potential stock investments and why you should look into these companies, and they even give recommendations on potential trade opportunities if you don't want to invest long term. For £40 a month, one successful trade and you've likely covered the cost of your subscription. But I also mentioned Forex at the start of this video. Forex. Is it pronounced Forex or Forex? It stands for foreign exchange, but Forex sounds wrong. Forex sounds right. Anyway, where does Forex come into play here? I think we're all aware of the skepticism Forex is met with these days. For reasons unknown to me, it's the calling card of the social media scammer. It's rare that scammers using fake profiles would try to sell you a course on property, or how the stock market works, or how to build a business. It's always Forex signals, and occasionally crypto signals. But because of this, legitimate Forex traders are getting a bad name. Investor Watch offer a Forex service where they literally post the trades that they're placing that day. They don't just post 10 trades a day and hope that 5 work out so then it looks like they're doing well. They only post the trades that they are actually placing themselves with their own money, which definitely gave me some more confidence in them. If they are making money on their trades, I'm making money too. And it also made me feel a little bit better on some of the losing trades, knowing that I'm not the only one losing money. This means that the incentive on Investor Watch is to provide high quality trades, typically once a day, as opposed to being bombarded with trades all day, and you have no idea if the signal provider even has any skin in the game. So how do you get access to the Forex signals as well? It's actually very simple. You open an account with Investor Watch's preferred broker, deposit some money into that account, and you'll be added to the Investor Watch Forex channel. That's included in the £40 a month if you want to deposit money into a Forex account. I was genuinely surprised and impressed at how much you get for £40 a month, and it's the reason that I'm happy to promote them. At this point, I'm sure you're well aware, particularly if you follow me on TikTok, I don't really do bullshit. I wouldn't promote something that I didn't believe in myself and I've actually tried. I'm still using Investor Watch now, and I'm still being impressed by the information that they're providing. And I'm sure you're all wondering, how much is Robbie being paid to make this video? And I'll tell you, nothing. The guys at Investor Watch don't even know I'm making this video. They won't know until I post it. Of course, if you sign up through me, I make a small commission, but as I mentioned before, I wouldn't be promoting it if I didn't think it was a good product. I'm not here to try and do the hard sell and twist your arm into buying something you don't want to spend money on. I'm simply here to make you aware of a good product at a reasonable price. If this is something you think you might be interested in, leave a comment below, or send me a message on Instagram at Robbie Corbett _ and I can help get you set up. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy.